Mitigations for attacks in GraphQL. Now, GraphQL offers a flexible approach via APIs, but it is important to address its various security vulnerabilities. Adopting specific mitigation strategies is essential to safeguard GraphQL implementations against common attacks. Here is an expanded guide on how to address these prevalent attack vectors. First is introspection schema vulnerability. Exposing detailed schema information that attackers can use to find weak points. The mitigation is disabling introspection in production, prevent attackers from discovering your schema by turning off introspection queries in the production environment. Access control for introspection. Implement strict access control checks before allowing introspection queries, ensuring only authorized users can access schema details. Monitoring and logging. Continuously monitor and log access to introspection queries to promptly identify and respond to potential reconnaissance activities by attackers. Second is injection attacks. Now, malicious queries are injected to exploit the underlying system. Mitigation, input validation. Implement stringent input validation and sanitization measures to prevent harmful data from being processed. Prepare statements. Use prepare statements or similar mechanisms to handle database queries. Schema validation. Check GraphQL schemas carefully to detect and block malicious queries. Third are denial of service attacks. Exploit GraphQL's depth and complexity to overpower a server. Mitigation, query depth limiting. Introduce depth limiting in queries to prevent excessively nested requests. Queries. Query complexity analysis. Utilize tools to analyze query complexity and set limits to prevent overly complex queries. Timeouts. Implement query execution timeouts to avoid long-running queries. Fourth is insecure direct object reference. Description, exposing internal objects like database keys without proper authorization. Mitigation, robust authorization. Implement strong field-level authorization checks to restrict data access. Obfuscate internal references, use UIDs or similar mechanisms instead of predictable or sequential IDs. Fifth one is authorization flaws. These are insufficient authorization checks leading to an unauthorized data access. Mitigation, field-level authorization. Ensure comprehensive authorization at every field and operation within GraphQL queries and mutations. Regular security audits. Execute periodic security audits to evaluate and guarantee the proper and operational functionality of authorization mechanisms. Role-based access control. RBAC allows for seamless control of permissions. Sixth one is rate limiting and complexity analysis. Overwhelming the server with numerous or complex queries. Mitigation, advanced rate limiting. Apply rate limiting based on query complexity and user quotas. Second one being query cost analysis. Deploy tools to evaluate query cost and enforce restrictions based on resource utilization. User quotas and throttling. Establish user-based quotas and throttle requests where necessary.